Folks, Black Bull Markets have 10 merch packs to give away to clients who sign up before the end of the year, including one of these trader keys. So to go in the draw, all you need to do is sign up with the link below this video or in the podcast description, and you'll go in the draw to win. It's that simple. And remember, folks, when you sign up to Black Bull Markets through the Trading Nut link below, you're going to get a 100% deposit bonus up to $1,000 on your first deposit. All you need to do is click the link in the description below the video or the podcast.
Hello, can you guys hear me? Please just type in the comments if you guys can hear me. Yes, cool. Gonna get started. So what's up, everybody? Hope everyone is well. So we're just doing potential breakdown what we could anticipate for the rest of the week. We have a big week ahead of us. You guys know it's NFP week. We have NFP on Friday. So we'd like to see some nice moves taking place. So let me just start off with the dollar. What I'm looking at the dollar, I discussed this last week and the week before. Bias is the same. So got these highs, created this higher high. We see also broke out of that in this price here, which is 102. I'm looking at price coming down to the psychological level of 102, and that's where I potentially want to take buys from on the dollar. If you guys have a look, price did dip in last week. Let me just zoom in. The weekly time frame last week. This is my monthly. My apologies. Price did dip in last month and closed below this monthly resistance, right? Because it's blue. Level of 103,750 is a monthly level. So we're currently under that as we speak. A very nice psychological level. If you just scroll back, you'll see price has reacted multiple times here. See, we've got a reaction here. We've got some nice reactions here, nice rejections here. So even though holistically I am bullish on the dollar, just because our monthly last month closed below this area, I do believe price will just come down just a little bit further down to find support at 102, and then from 102 I want to see price push up and create these higher highs, right? So overall I am bullish, but on my lower time frames I'm looking for price to just come down further before we get those buys to the upside. Weekly time frame, we tapped into the 61.8, but there wasn't really a nice support here, so still anticipating it to come down. On my 4-hour time frame, if you guys have a look, we are bearish, right? Meaning price is creating these lower lows and lower highs, which is still indicating that price will come down to this area. Should price break the structure, right, so definitely see the dollar push back up to the upside. But for now, as long as we are under this area here, which is around that 104.250 area, as long as we're under there, I'm still bearish on the dollar until we reach 102. Cool. Any questions, guys, regarding this? Does it make sense? Does it not make sense? I think it makes sense. Cool. So moving along, never really covered too many opportunities that I'm looking at. However, I'm looking at USD CAD. Now, USD CAD also very structured on the 4-hour time frame. But guys can see we are creating these lower lows, lower highs. I'm looking at getting some nice rejection from this area of resistance here. Sorry, this is just from a lesson with a student. We went over structure. Price is approaching a nice psychological resistance now. So I'm going to wait for some nice rejection here. Should I get nice rejection at that area, guys, this will definitely be a very nice sell to take. So basically looking at taking a sell there, targeting these lower lows. Stop loss ideally should be above that previous high, just based on what structure teaches us. Another confluence, let's just have a look at this. Yep, another confluence will be my FUB retracement area. It's lining up nicely with 61.8. So definitely put nice potential sells here on USD CAD, but we have to wait for candlestick confirmation here. Structure is bearish, dollar structure on the fall is bearish, so definitely something we can take advantage of. Those that are in my groups, this is most likely a trade that we'll be looking at to take today, but I'll keep you guys posted on this as price approaches my entry. Cool, no questions on this? Everyone's good? Cool. USD CHF. So yeah, I am in a sell already. Took this yesterday, in fact. Still caught up in the sell. USD trades, guys, involving the USD, because should price go against us, everything will go against us, right? So just make sure, just as some advice going further for you guys, is like, if you're trading, for example, USD CAD, don't trade USD JPY or GBP USD. Don't put all your eggs in one currency. Try to diversify it a little bit. And that way, should price break structure on a particular currency pair and stuff, you're not taking a whole bunch of losses, right? So just a word of advice. Cool. So yeah, I was looking at some nice sells here. Structure still looks fairly decent. Price creating these lower lows and lower highs. My only issue here, guys, is my daily time frame. Let me just have a look at the daily. The daily time frame, I don't like that close I had yesterday. I would have liked to see this off. So I'd like to see price just pull back underneath that resistance area here, and then fall down to, of course, these lows here. Very structure here as well, also dollar dependent, but I am in this here, not a big risk in this trade. Still holding it in, put in a bit of drawdown, but I'll monitor to see how my lower time frame candles play out, and if I have to close out a small loss, I will. But for now, it's still safe. Would I enter where it is right now? No, I wouldn't. I'd wait for candlestick confirmation. But if you are in it, it's not a big stress at the moment. Trade is fairly safe. Price is rejecting somewhat rejection. We just had a big bullish candle. This current one can definitely come and close back underneath the resistance, and then we could see that roll over, show the dollar push down. Questions on this? No questions. Cool. Okay, let's see what else we're looking at. GBP USD price is currently above the support. Also, just be careful on this here for trading this here as well. We are above support. If the dollar goes as we predicted, or as we went over, we'll definitely see this here push up to around these highs. So you guys can pay attention to that if you want to, but also dollar dependent. So just be careful, as I mentioned. Just monitor how this 4-hour candle closes. You can see there's a lot of rejection going to the downside. However, no really nice candlestick indicating that the bullish momentum is coming up. So just be careful if you are trading that. What else do I see? GJ, for me, very, very bullish. See, we got that nice support line there. Let's see how that looks at 500. Yep, we got a nice resistance. Resistance price came down, acted as some sort of support. Nice daily rejection yesterday. Let's go into my 4-hour time frame. Yep, nice daily rejection. We just look at structure here, guys. You can see price did create that higher high that closed above the previous high. If I use my foot from my low to my high, definitely a nice entry. FUB is lining up nicely as well. Definitely a good buy here. Look at taking a buy here. Ideally, your stop loss should be below your previous area of structure, and you target those new highs. So yeah, put wise it might be a lot, but remember we trade risk and reward, not really the amount of puts. If your risk and reward makes sense, whether you got 10 puts as a stop loss or 100 puts as a stop loss, if you're risking $1,000, you're risking $1,000. Your lot size must collaborate with what you want to risk, not based on the amount of puts. Very, very important. A lot of the times I get asked a question, if I trade a $100 account, what lot size should I use? It depends on the trade you are taking. If the trade you are taking and the stop loss is 100 pips, you'll use a specific stop loss. If the trade you're using and you're going to risk $10, you have to use a different type of lot size. So there's no set lot sizes. Your lot size is based on the amount of money you want to risk on each trade, given the stop loss gap that you'll need. Some trades you have much tighter stop losses than others based on where it needs to be. Some trades need a bit more breathing room. So there's no set lot size you can use, guys. Always work out your lot size. That way you don't blow your accounts when prices in just a bit of drawdown. A lot of the times you'll find that maybe you'll take a trade and your stop loss needs to be somewhere, and you use a lot size. As soon as price goes down, you blow your account, and immediately as it blows your account, it goes back up. And then people start to say, trading is not for me, the market knew what it's doing. No, it's because you did not plan your risk. Plan your risk accordingly and let the market move. Don't make stop losses extremely tight where you just keep taking unnecessary losses just because you trying to use a big lot size so you can make more money. Use the correct lot size that you need for the trade. Make sense? In fact, let me just send this setup to my group over here. Okay. Questions, guys? Questions? No questions. Cool. Let's see what else I can go over for you guys. I'll go over one more. I don't like that. Oh, this would have been nice. Okay, Euro JPY, very nice setup here. Looking at my daily time frame, let me just remove this. Looking at my daily time frame, if I just have a look at structure, see there's nice highs that pick to the upside. Got a nice area of that there. 1, 2, 3. Just look at here. If I just make this, let's just look at 250. 250 looks fairly nice. Nice daily rejection. Definitely another opportunity you guys can take. This will be what time is it? What do you mean? What time is it? Nice opportunity here to take buys. Wait for daily close. This is a higher time frame analysis. Daily close, stop loss should be a nice around 1:3 risk and reward. But wait to see how the daily candlestick close, but definitely a nice looking trade. You guys can monitor on your 4-hour as well. But it's safer to look at your 4-hour. Safer to look on your daily time frame of this because you found the setup on the time frame. Wait for candlestick confirmation there. Basically, yeah, about a 600 pip, 700 pip take profit. We'll be targeting, of course, new highs. Can take out partial profits around this area here. Then, of course, more profit at your high, and then your new high there. But definitely a nice setup on Euro, JPY. Any other confluence we can add here? Let's just have a look. I don't really use trend lines in a hurry, but I mean, if it's adding confluence to my trade, giving me more reason to enter, I definitely do so. Yep, that looks fairly nice. Nice channel here as well. So definitely a good or a nice opportunity here on Euro JPY. Cool. Any questions? Anything else you guys want me to go over? I'm not going to go over indices and gold, leaving that for the paid members, of course. Any other currency pairs you guys would like me to run over before I leave? Nothing. Cool. Oh, EU. Okay. Euro USD. Wanted to see EU come up to around this area. I like this price here. 1, 2, 3. I was waiting for price to come up to that there. I think it was at 250. Yeah. Well, 102, 250. It's 4, right? Also had this here as another confluence there. Nice rejection there. But I just wanted to see it come up again. And also it's a 6 area. However, price has started to dip down already. However, and if it doesn't, I'll just monitor on my lower time frames how it's behaving. On my 4-hour time frames, it may look like we have taken out these. So what we could do is potentially, should price start falling now and not come up to where I wanted to come down, we could maybe wait for a nice retracement. I'm pretty sure we will get a nice retracement as price did break structure here. Lower time frame, you can see it's very bearish, but we should get a nice reach coming before we look at swinging this down. But for now, where it is, I won't look to jump just yet into this here. I want to see a nice retracement first before entering this. And yeah, but sells here all day. I wouldn't look to buy at the moment on this here. If it's the buy, it's most likely the retracement for the big sell coming out. No questions? Everyone's sharp? Cool. That's all for me, guys. Have a blessed day. Anyone looking to get involved in my community, you guys can send me a message on Instagram, which is Marcillino_Fx. And yeah, we'll be glad to assist you on your trading journey. All the best, guys. Hope you guys have a profitable week and profitable NFP. Sharp, guys. Goodbye.